Hey there, my little artists. Guess what we're drawing today? It's Stitch. Yes, that cute and cheeky Stitch, and he's sticking his tongue out. He looks so silly and adorable, just like in the movie. Get your drawing paper ready, pick your favorite marker, and let's bring Stitch to life. Let's start drawing from the top. Draw his little tufts of hair first, swoop. Now make his funny head shape, it's narrow at the top and gets wider at the bottom, just like a jelly bean. Use nice smooth curves. Time for his tongue. Make it stretch all the way up like he's trying to lick his own nose, silly Stitch. Now draw his big open mouth around the tongue. And don't forget his tiny triangular nose sitting right above that tongue. Something's missing? Ah, his triangular teeth. Let's draw those pointy little teeth peeking out. Now that's more like it. Let's go ahead and thicken that nose line to make it pop. Let's draw his big, shiny oval eyes, one on each side of his face. Inside, draw smaller ovals for his eyeballs and fill them in with black. He's watching us draw him. Time for those big, silly ears. Draw them wide, floppy and round at the top, one on each side. Now his arms and hands. Don't forget the sharp little claws. Doesn't he look like the cheekiest little Stitch ever? Coloring time. Let's start with his face and ears, then color the rest of his wiggly blue body. His eyes get a light blue sparkle, his ears get a soft pink with a bluish-gray shade, his tongue is bright red, and his nose is a dark gray. Now finish up by coloring his body a lovely blue shade, and don't forget those nails. Ta-da! You did it! Another super cute Stitch drawing is all done. You're amazing, my little artist. Let's draw together again soon. Bye.